Hello students, once again this is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. In this video we are going to study about prepositions and types of prepositions. So let us understand what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. A preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. There are various types of preposition. We are going to study about preposition of place, time and movement. So let us understand what is prepositions of place. A prepositions of place is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. Example, the cat is in the basket, the rat is on the chair, the rat is beneath the chair, the cat is under the table, the yellow ball is lying among many blue balls, the girl is sitting beside her mother, the rat is coming outside its burrow, he is standing in front of the curtain. So these were the few examples. Now let us understand what are prepositions of time. A prepositions of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period such as a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. Let us understand. At is used to talk about an exact point in time. Example, school begins at 8 am. Here, in the given sentence, the preposition at is used to tell us the time when the school begins. The preposition of time on is used to talk about a particular day and date. Example, the gathering will be held on 16th February. Here the preposition on tells us the time when the gathering will take place. The preposition of time in is used to talk about time in a day, month, season or a year which is not certain or exact. Example, I am going to visit Kashmir in December. We are not certain on which day we are going to go. The preposition of time for is used to tell the time duration of an event. Example, I am going to play for 2 hours. The preposition of time during is used to tell the time when something is happening. Example, Sita learned painting during her summer vacation. The preposition of time while is used to talk about an action which is taking place when something else happens. Example, while I was having breakfast, the phone rang. Hope you understood. Now let us understand about prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement or direction are used to show movement from one place to another. Example, the girl went up the stairs, the ball went down the stairs, they walked along the street, they walked across the street, the ball fell off the box, the ball rolled towards the box, the ball passed through the box, the ball rolled into the box. So my dear students, never stop learning, for when we stop learning, we stop growing. So keep on learning, keep on revising, keep on studying, stay home and stay safe.